we drive the world. We're all about drive and progress. We are SEW-EURODRIVE. We are ready for the future because we have been boldly forging ahead time and time again. We know where we want to go and where we come from. We too started out small. And that's here. In the 1930s, in Straße in Bruchsal, a small town in Germany. Already our first product was part of a revolution. One steam engine that used to power the whole plant, replaced by many small electric motors, exactly where drive is needed. Back from the war, Ernst Blückler gathers a powerful team around him. Together, they combine the gear unit and motor into one unit. Smaller, more compact, and more efficient. The SEW gear motor. Would you like to see how we create innovation? A few SEW people sit together, have ideas, and don't let up. One idea changed everything. It was so ahead of its time that it still shapes us today. The modular kit. A few standardized components create endless possibilities. Everything can be combined now. Ingenious. Every customer gets a tailor-made solution for their drive requirement. From there on, we carried the modular kit out into the world. We want to be where our customers are. That's why we have established locations in more and more countries, the EuroDrives. And in doing so, we have created completely new customer problem-solving centers and think tanks, the SEW-EURODRIVE family. A service and sales network with centralized production on all continents and decentralized assembly in every country. We are where you are. Within 50 years, Ernst Blückler and his SEW employees have turned a family-owned company into an international global corporation. Standing still? Not an option for us. We are SEW-EURODRIVE. So far, our motors and gear units have been pretty handy. But for some applications, real power is needed. And because we love to solve our customers' problems, we have made this a reality. We realized the large gear units in cooperation at first. Later, we developed and manufactured them ourselves and perfected them over the decades. May we introduce the SEW Large Gear Unit. With it, we can now also move the biggest of things. But we also want to control them. Now we can also do electronics, developed and manufactured in-house. But couldn't we also do it more compact and decentralized? Drive, gearbox, and electronics combined in one unit. A world first. At the same time, our customers demand more and more dynamics, precision, and peak load. This is what servo technology is needed for. Now we are only missing one piece of the puzzle, the control system. Now we are system providers for drive and automation technology. Wouldn't it be a dream if you had just one contact for your problems? Yes, that's what we mean. We see the big picture and at the same time, master the smallest details. We have changed, but at the core, we have remained true to ourselves. Preserve the old, dare the new. This is SEW-EURODRIVE. And this is how we'll be able to master the challenges that lie ahead. Future starts here. We create spaces for the best ideas, which are transformed into the products of tomorrow, here with our machines and systems. We take joint responsibility for our employees, customers, and our planet. The future begins now, thinking today for tomorrow, and doing. With people who want to drive the world with us. Okay, let's do it.